Welcome to my YouTube channel RaceAcat, and today in the mathematics section we will see what and all are the domain and ranges. Okay, so what is the concept of domain and what is the concept of range we will see in the today's lecture. Okay, so what is the concept of domain and what is the concept of range. Okay, so in the calculus part we will see what is the concept of domain and range. Okay, so firstly taking what is domain. So domain is nothing else but in a particular equation allowed values of x, allowed values of x which are real. Okay, so domain is nothing else but the allowed values of x which are real. Okay, so every allowed value of x will be domain of fx. Okay, so suppose that fx is x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay, so what are the allowed values of x? So any value we can put here, any value, any real x. Since for any real x it will be the fx will be real. Okay, so for any real x the fx is real, so all x are real, all x are in domain. So domain is all real x. Okay, so all real x are the domain of this fx. Okay, so let's see what is another fx. Fx is x square minus 3x plus 2 upon x square minus 4x plus 7. Okay, so this is their fx. Okay, so when the fx is not real, fx is not real when this is equal to 0. This fx is not real when this is equal to 0. Okay, so when will be this equal to 0? X square minus 4x plus 7 equal to 0. X equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4 into 7 by 2a. So this is never equal to 0. Since we can see d is 16 minus 28 which is negative. So since d is negative, so it is always greater than 0. So fx will be not real when this is equal to 0, but since the d is negative, so it is always greater than 0, always greater than 0. So downside is always greater than 0. So fx domain is all real x. Okay, so suppose that there is another question which is like this. Suppose that fx is x square minus 2x plus 2 upon x square minus 3x plus 1. Okay, so this is fx. Okay, so when fx is not real, this is not real when x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So when x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, it is not real. So we will solve x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So 3 plus minus under root 5 by 2. So x is not real at 3 plus root 5 by 2 and x is equal to 3 minus root 5 by 2. Okay, so the domain will be all real x minus when x is 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2. Okay, so this is the domain of this fx. So this is how we will find the domain of different functions. So let's see, fx is 1 by x. So the domain will be x. What will be the x? X is 0, so fx is not real. So all real x minus 0. Single element is represented by this curly bracket. Okay, so like this we will tell what and all are the domain of different functions. Okay, so let's see what is the concept of range. Okay, so range is nothing else but the range is the allowed value of y. Okay, so suppose that y is 2x square minus 3x plus 2. So what and all are the allowed values of y? That will be the range of this function. So fx was 2x square minus 3x plus 2. So what and all are the allowed values of this? So we will put all the values of y, all the values of x which are in domain are putted, and range will be the output values of fx. So we will put all the values from the domain. Okay, and what and all are the values of fx will be coming, that will be the range. Okay, so suppose that fx is 2x square minus 3x plus 2. So all real values of x we will put, all real values of x we will put, and what and all will the values of fx will be coming. Okay, so that will be the range. Okay, so for ending the, so firstly draw the graph of this, graph plotting. Firstly plotting the graph for this function. So x is equals to, finding the roots, x is equals to minus c plus minus under root b square minus, so suppose that b square minus 4 into 2 by 2a. So 4, so this is always positive, so t is positive, so no roots, so no roots are there for this equation, so it is always above the x-axis. So finding the what is the minima, so 4x minus 3 equals to 0, x is equals to 3 by 4. So at x is equals to 3 by 4, it is having minima, and what is the value of when x is 0? 2. So 2 x is equals to 3 by 4, and this is y is equals to 2. So the all the range will be the values at x is equals to 3 by 4 to infinity. Okay, so what was the function? 2x square minus 3x plus 2, 2x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so we will put all the values when x is equals to 3 by 4. What is the value? That is the minimum value of this function. Okay, so 2 into 9 by 16 minus 3 into 3 by 4 plus 2. So 18 by 16 minus 9 by 4 plus 2 is equal to 16. 18 minus 4 into 4. So 9 4 ja 36 plus 32. Okay, so minus 4, so 14 by 16. So 7 by 8. So range is from 7 by 8 to infinity. So this is the range of this function fx. So this is how we will find the range of this function fx. Okay, so let's see what is the next question. Let fx is equals to 1 by x. So what is the range of this function? Range of fx. What is the range? So we know that graph of fx is like this. So we know that at x is when y is equals to 0, this is line y equal to 0. This is x, this is y. So the domain is not at y is when the y is equal to 0, or when x is infinite, and also at x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 is also not in domain. So what is the domain of this function? Domain is 0 to infinity and minus infinity to 0. So this is the domain of this function. Okay, so when we put this domain, and then we will find the range. So what is the values of this when the x is slightly greater than 0? When x is slightly greater than 0, okay, so when the x is slightly greater than 0, so what is the value? Its value is in plus infinite, and when x tending to infinity its value is 0. So infinity to 0. When x is slightly less than 0, what is the value? Minus infinite, and when is x tending to minus infinite, its value is 0. So minus infinity to 0, 0 to infinity is the range of this function. So this is how we will find what is the range of the function. So let's see one more question. In this question the y is ln x. So how the graph of ln x is drawn? So the graph of ln x is like this, okay. So we know that what is the domain of this function? Domain of this function is all the x which are positive. So 0 to infinity, the domain is 0 to infinity, okay. So we know when the x is slightly greater than 0, its value is minus infinite, and when x is infinite, okay, so its value goes to infinity. So this will be the range of this function. So like this we can tell by putting the values of domain of the function, we can easily tell what is the range of the function. So let's see one more question. Suppose that y is equal to e power x. So how the graph of e power x is drawn? E power x graph is like this. So if we put all the values of x, since the domain of this is minus infinity to infinity, all x are positive, all x are possible, okay. So when we put x as minus infinity, so its value is equal to 0, and when x is infinity, its value goes to infinity. So 0 to infinity is the range of this function e power x, okay. So this is how we can easily tell what and all are the domain and what is the range of particular function, okay. So like this, if we will be able to draw the graphs of a particular function, we can easily tell what and all are the domain and ranges of the function, okay. So suppose that there is a graph of y is equal to 1 by x, we saw na, like this. So similarly for y is equal to 1 by x square, y is equal to 1 by x cube. So similar things will be there, okay. And similarly for y is equal to ln x we saw. So similarly for y is equal to log base ax will be there, okay. A can be anything, okay. We saw for the y is equal to e power x. Similarly for y is equal to a की power x will be there, okay. So similar things will be followed, similar patterns will be followed for this also, okay, for finding the different values, okay. Thank you.